We here at Kestrel would like to give a special thanks to the Waring School for hosting us and to the New England Biolabs Foundation for funding this amazing program.
Beverly, Massachusetts, United States of America.
Hello, and welcome to Conservation Club with Kestrel Educational Adventures, or Kestrel for short. Kestrel is a nonprofit organization that runs on programs to help public schools and other educational programs teach projects based on the science and nature. On our second week of Conservation Club, we came across a wetland.
While exploring, we found a beaver dam. This find gave us an idea to find out what animals live in the area and how they affect the environment. There were many signs of mammal activity, along with other animals such as birds and snakes.
To help promote awareness of the presence of the wildlife of local wetlands, we placed trail cams and noted observations.
White-tailed deer. We observed many white-tailed deer. Using trail cameras, we placed generously around the wetland. We have noticed signs of recent activity. Deer are herbivores, feeding on leafy plants and fruit during warmer months, and things like bark, twigs, acorns, and grasses in the summer months. The squirrel is an important species in the wetland because they bury their nuts and forget about them, which grow trees, and then they provide food for many predators, including coyotes, foxes, and hawks. We observed them for trail camera footage. We have found their drays, which are their nests, and we have found feeding sign.
A game trail is this type of thing that animals of all shape and size use to travel throughout the forest with ease. They're normally related to some sort of water or food source. In this case, the food source is that crabapple tree and the water is that beaver pond over there. If we keep following this trail, we can see there's tons of prints all over the trail. Let me just find one for you right here. Right here is a deer print. See this? This is a print of a white-tailed deer. White-tailed deers are one of our main users in this game trail. See how you can see two defined hoofs, one hoof here and one hoof there. That can tell us that this is a white-tailed deer because not many other animals have a hoof.
Fishers are members of the weasel family that live around here. They have long, slender bodies and will eat any type of meat they can fit in their mouths. They are great at climbers and they have climbing, and they have partially retractable claws, making them easy to scale trees. They can jump from 7 feet from tree to tree, and they are one of the few animals that will ever prey on porcupines.
The eastern coyote is a medium-sized canine, about the size of 2 gray foxes. They'll eat about anything, including mammals, fruits, berries, reptiles, eggs, and birds. They are characterized by their long legs and pointy snouts and their black-tipped tails. We've been lucky enough to witness them through track and sign, trail cam footage, and even a dead juvenile coyote skeleton. They are important to the environment because they monitor the population of smaller animals by eating them.
The main reason we decided to explore the wetland was because of the major signs that beavers were nearby. We obviously noticed the dam that plays a major part of the ecosystem around it and the beaver chews scattered around the area. When a beaver dam is built, it completely changes the composition of the ecosystem, creating and destroying habitats.
We hope you've learned a little bit more about wetlands and their associated wildlife. We sure have.